We're at the Riu Palace Pacifico in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Here's our walk-in closet. Let's see what else we have. Here's our bar. And in here we have a fridge with all of our drinks, water, soda, beer. Here's the sitting area and the bedroom. A jacuzzi tab in the bathroom. Come check out the best part. We have a jacuzzi tab on our balcony, and a wraparound huge balcony. We're on the 7th floor and there's views of the entire bay. So it's our final day here at Riu Palace Pacifico in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So we're just going to tell you the pros and the cons, what we loved and what we thought could use a little improvement. So we love the pool.
Very warm.
The pool water is warm. The ocean water is super warm.
Crazy.
We're here in the middle of September, September 20th today. The ocean water is the warmest I've ever felt anywhere. Super warm. It's a little brown. I think that's just the color.
Yeah.
That it's not Caribbean or Hawaii ocean. The food is really good. The buffet food's
The buffets
great.
were good. The restaurants were good.
We've eaten at the buffet every day for breakfast. I think that's the only place open for breakfast.
Yeah. Then you go to the steakhouse for lunch.
Yes. When we arrived at the airport, we were supposed to have a hotel. The hotel was supposed to pick us up. Nobody was there to pick us up, so we had to take an Uber. I'm still gonna contact them about that and see what happened. So maybe I would say call and verify your transportation before you get here. Also, when you're in the airport, don't make eye contact with anybody.
Get out. Get in. Get off your plane. Go outside. Get your transportation.
Yeah, someone came up to us in the airport and we thought that they were helping us to our taxi or our shuttle, but they were helping us over to the timeshare counter where we spent probably about an hour trying to talk our way out of not going to a timeshare.
They'll want your papers, all your information, because they act like they're part of the hotel. They're not.
They're not.
So don't fall for that like we did.
Yeah, we had no idea. But we really like this hotel. The room, we got a Jacuzzi Suite with the jacuzzi on the thing. We've gotten that about twice. So I don't know if I would pay for the upgraded room. You don't spend a whole lot of time in your room, and we only got in the jacuzzi twice.
Yeah, we have a jacuzzi inside too.
But I'm not sure what the other smaller rooms look like either.
They have that, I don't know.
I think some of them have the jacuzzi inside, some of them don't. Just depending on the level.
Yeah, the advantage of our jacuzzi outside was the view. We have a straight shot of the ocean. So that was kind of part of the reason we got the jacuzzi. But
Also, when I booked the reservation, I put one of my requests to be on a high floor. And when we got here, they put us on floor 2.
too low, way too low.
We couldn't see anything. We couldn't see really even the ocean. You could see the ocean, you couldn't see the beach, you couldn't see the pool. And now we're on floor 7. I got them to move us after one night on floor 2 to floor 7, and floor 7 is perfect.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
The lowest you would want to go is level 4. Anything below that, you start losing the view and
Better. I think all their rooms are at least partial ocean view. They're down the side or the full ocean view. I don't think they have any that face the city.
no.
And then all the people that work here are amazing. The bartenders. There's 2 really good bartenders we loved, Alexander and Jose.
They're in the pool bar. Alexander's on the dry spot on the top back, and Jose's down at the swim up bar.
They were both amazing. Keeping the drinks coming.
Yeah, throw down a few dollars, and the drinks keep coming.
Yeah,
If
maybe
you
a
don't-
little too many.
Yeah, twice we had way too many. I had way too many.
And the waiters in the buffet are awesome. The waiters in the restaurants are awesome. Everyone.
It's been
everyone
really
that's
good.
worked here has been very nice. It seems really safe. We went into Puerto Vallarta for the day, and it seems safe there. We've taken Ubers everywhere we went. Nothing to worry about.
No.
But overall, we would definitely recommend this hotel. We think you should come here, relax, have drinks, visit all the restaurants.
Visit all the neighboring hotels. They have Riu's down the beach, probably a 10-minute walk. You can check out their other hotels and get drinks and stuff there.
Yeah,
So.
it's a really fun, a really great place to come and relax or go on an adventure. We went and did this tour with Vallarta Adventures. It was so fun. We're gonna do another video, so check that out, just about this tour. It was amazing, so fun. Really made our trip
Yes.
going on this tour. So check that out.
If you like ziplining, rappelling, riding mules,
Having
having fun,
being adventurous.
then that.
Lean back, bend your knees and close your mouth.
Here we are on this, what's this bridge called?
I don't know, the Wajaro something. The largest vehicle suspension bridge in the world.
Yeah,
It'll
it's
show you down
spooky.
here. Look down here.
All right, look down here.
Check out our adventures we had. By our adventures, you can learn how to zip line, rappel down waterfalls. You get to ride on a cool Zodiac boat. You go through like an old school Mexican village. It looks like it's a set of Universal Studios, but it's actually how they live. It's really interesting to see that.
Very cool.
Very cool. So we'll put a link to that in the description below. So that's definitely on your to-do list. Definitely put that on your to-do list.
Yeah, if you want to learn more about that, watch our video about that. And then come visit Riu Palace Pacifico. You will not be disappointed.
Bye.